All right. So it's currently December 9th, 11:39 p.m. And yeah, we're about to continue with this project. I believe last time I was what were we doing? I don't even remember, but let's see. Uh Oh, right. So we ended up being able to build it and successfully transcribe and essentially sum up. Give me a summary of how long it took to summarize, or sorry, not summarize, to transcribe the thing, right? Let's turn on my VPN. Uh oh, and I think what we were gonna figure out today was um it was summary or summarization. And I think I did some research offline, and I found two alternatives. I don't need these right now, actually. I found two alternatives. So there's BART. There's the BART model, and then there's the T5 model. At least this is just from the preliminary research that I did before. However, what I wanted to do was go to Hugging Face to see if they already have any models that can summarize. Because if that's the case, we can just yoink one of these models that summarizes it effectively. We don't have to worry about optimizing it for the iPhone as long as it's in the core ML format. So let's see. Languages, no, datasets. Where is it? There it is. Core ML. And then tasks, summarization. Yeah, so I think the one I was going to use is this one. Medical summarization, BART, large core ML, Pegasus, large core ML, T5, fine tune test. I think it's between these two. Three. Whoa. You got somebody doing donuts outside at 11:40 p.m. That's crazy. The fine-tuned T5 small is a variant of the T5 transformer model. It is designed to be fine-tuned to generate concise and coherent summaries of input text. The model is named T5 Small. It is pre-trained on a diverse corpus of text data, enabling it to capture essential information and generate meaningful summaries. Fine-tuning is conducted with careful attention to hyperparameter settings, including batch size and learning rate, to ensure optimal performance. Okay, so does that mean that they applied it? Does that, like, are they saying this is what they did to train it? To fine tune it? Or this is what I have to do to fine tune it even further? A batch size of 8 is chosen for efficient. No, okay, never mind. That's what they did. Additionally, a learning rate of 2. You see, I don't know what the fuck this means. What does that mean, man? This approach guarantees not only rapid learning, but also continuous refinement during training. Let me see. Okay. Just want to make sure we're recording. The primary intent uses models to generate concise and coherent text summaries. It is well suited for applications that involve summarizing lengthy documents, news articles, and textual content. This sounds like it's perfect for us. To use this model for text summarization, you can follow these steps. Limitations, specialized task fine-tuning. Users interested in employing this model for different tasks should Explore fine-tuned versions available in the Model Hub for optimal results. Model Hub. Okay, where's the Model Hub? Model Hub. Hugging Face Model Hub is a treasure trove of pre-trained models, making it simple for anyone to access, experiment with, and fine-tune models. Researchers and developers around the world collaborate and share models through this platform. Is that not what I'm doing? I'm confused. I'm confused and I'm a little sleep deprived, so I might not be all there right now. Limitations, specialized task fine tuning. Excels at text summarization. Why would you use this? Like, if it's telling you, hey, you have to, like, this excels with text summarization, why would you use it any other? Huh? I'm confused. May be influenced by the quality and representativeness of the data it was fine-tuned on. Users are encouraged. Okay, how do I use this then? Model tree for this, adapters. What is this? You see, I don't really... So, GitHub, GitLab, I'm familiar with, right? That's easy peasy. But this Hugging Face platform, I'm still getting accustomed to it. And I'm still learning, like, everything there is to know about, like, all of this. Like, what the fuck? Like, what all of this means, right? Like, what do adapters mean? I know fine tunes is just like... So this fine tune would be like whatever model this is or whatever model you have. Fine tune would just be literally the fine tuning of this model that's being shown. Text summarization fine tuned. Fine tuned stock news. My awesome third model. Falcon sum. Text summarization. Let's look at this one. On the CNN Daily Mail dataset. Multi-news, CNN, Falcon. On the None dataset? What does that mean? What? Aborted DS? Aborted dataset? Is that what that means? Okay, so these are... So already... Okay. So I think the parent model of this is T5, right? But this model is already a fine-tuned version of this. So... Okay, I want to use this core amount. Holy shit. What is all this? I have no idea. Okay, I want to use this. Transformers. how do I use / integrate this core ML model, this this fine-tuned T5 text summarization model. How do I integrate this fine-tuned T5 text summarization model? In Xcode on my app project. See what ChatGPT says. Integrating the fine-tuned T5 text summarization model from Hugging Face into your iOS app involves several steps. Obtain the model. I don't think I have to convert. Integrate core ML model into your Xcode. Oh, fuck. Okay, so this is how you use that model. Okay, so if it's a fine-tuned T5, so what does T5 model take in for input? T5 converts all text processing problems into text-to-text format. So what I'm looking for here is some article that mentions how to tokenize this, because I'm pretty sure from doing research offline that both the BART model and this model that I'm researching, the T5 model, like you can't just give it English, right? You can't just give it words and then it'll summarize it. What you have to do is once the user submits those words, then you have to tokenize those words. Then those tokens are what the model uses in order to be able to summarize the whole thing that you want, right? Let's see, let's look at this, right? T5 usage tips. Oh. Okay, so this... Oh, man. This model... Okay, small base, large. Inference... At inference time, it is recommended to use generate. This method takes care of encoding the input and feeding the encoded hidden states via cross-attention layers. You see what I mean? T5 tokenizer. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT again. Okay. In my app, How would I tokenize the input and then feed it into this fine-tuned T5 model? Tokenizing input, well, yeah, no shit. Tokenize input text. T5 models utilize the sentence piece tokenizer, which converts text into subword units. To implement this in Swift, use Swift Transformers package. Provides a Swift API for tokenization and model inference. Although encoder decoder model like T5 aren't currently supported, the package is evolving and support may be added in the future. Implement custom tokenization. If Swift Transformers don't meet your needs. Sentence piece tokenizer directly into your app. Sentence piece is a language independent. It can be trained on your own data. Is a unsupervised text tokenizer and detokenizer, mainly for neural network based text generations. Holy fuck, that's a mouthful. You see, like, this is what I fucking don't understand. Maybe it's just because I'm stupid or something, but it doesn't tell you how the fuck you use this shit. Like, it says use model, okay, transformers. Pipeline summarization. Load model, read model documentation. Fuck. Use model, transformers, read model documentation. Okay. T5 model with a sequence. The T5 model is whatever the fuck, I don't care. Usage tips. Inference. At inference image is recommended to use generate. T5 tokenizer. Performance. T5 tokenizer. Construct a T5 tokenizer based on sentence piece. This tokenizer inherits from the pre-trained tokenizer, which contains most of the main methods. Users should refer to the superclass for more information. How to use T5 model in Xcode. How to use Hugging Face T5 model to test Core ML. You need to first convert your pre-trained T5 model. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. Then load the converted model into your iOS app and use it to perform this. Add the converted core ML model. Write code to pre-process input text and pass it to core ML model. Okay, so from what I'm gathering, there... So from what I'm gathering, it looks like, yeah, you can use the model. The model is free for sure, but that pre-processing of input, you have to be smart enough to implement yourself if you're not using Python and whatever they have here, right? What this stuff, right? The Commerce AI company. If you like this newsletter. I don't care about how it's trained. Transformer. Decoder only, transformers. Let's take a minute to understand the difference. Okay. Text summarization T5 bar. Read docs. Read our learning resource. NLP core. Oh wow, I should have done some of these. These look useful. Computer vision.
The Hugging Face ecosystem. How to use the dataset at an introductory course, such as the ones published by deeplearning.ai or fast.ai.
Provides an implementation of today's most used tokenizers with a focus on performance and versatility. What language is this? RS. That's not oh wait, is that Rust? Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Unsupervised text tokenizer. This package includes binary-only targets where source code may not be available. Okay, well this looks fucking easy. I think I just solved my problem. I need to look at the source code though. Okay, so they do have a decode function. That's cool. I don't know why you would normalize stuff. Yeah, no, this is it. This is what I need. So copy this. Let's add it to here. YouTube kit. This is wrong. Why does it still show this fucking dependency, bro? Why? 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 How to remove a dependency from a Swift Xcode project. Navigate to your project and the project. Fuck, excuse me. Should still compile, right? Because I didn't really change anything. So if it compiles success, cool. Alright, man. I'm just gonna complain about my iPhone, but I don't care about that right now. Swift sentence piece. Let's try that. Maybe sentence piece. This is literally the only thing. Okay. Okay, so this package dependencies, add, and then we're gonna add sure, fuck yeah. Add this package. Oh man. I don't need the CLI, but I do need the library. Will this compile though? Succeeded. I think I have to add it to here. Let me ask ChatGPT. Pretty vague, but I kind of just want to know what it does. That your target depends on other targets being built first. Let me remove it, and then after, let me okay, I do have my VPN on, that's good. Go away and go away. Okay, now I want to implement text summarization using a core model I found. However, I'm not sure. Let's just do that. And then we also have to download this. So how do you download this? Git clone this, maybe? Let's see. Let's see if this is the way you do it. Nope, you don't. Clone repository, this one. Is there a way to directly add a model to directly add a Hugging Face repo to my Is there a way to directly add a Hugging Face repo / model to my No, this isn't exactly the answer I'm looking for. Whatever. I'll just fucking caveman it and just add it manually. Doop. think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Cool. Git HF models. Oh, is it not gonna... Is it just gonna be fucking stuck? Because of my VPN, dude. Are you serious? Watch. I'm gonna turn off my VPN. And then watch it go by fast. Why? Ugh. This is not reliable. Let's go Core ML. Can I just like download this? Oh, okay, cool. Never mind. Let me turn on my VPN again. Okay, now I just have to add this to my project. You know what? Let me just add the files themselves. Like so. Why isn't it showing me my target? Okay, now I want to implement text summarization using a Core ML model I found. You can find the model in under the model can be, let's see. Okay, now I want to implement text summarization using core ML model I found. You can find the model and models. The model can, so there are two packages. There are two core ML packages. They're the encoder and decoder. I want to use a fine-tuned version of the T5 model. Those are its respective encoder slash decoder projects, files, encoder, decoder, core ML packages. Now, the input it takes in is seemingly takes in our seemingly tokens in a specific way. I've added a new package to the project that will allow us to tokenize the text input. Now, can you inspect the project and find the changes and find what I'm about? Don't code anything up yet. I want you to come up with a plan of attack for this. Let's see. T5 encoder model, T5 decoder model. Both models are in float32 format for core ML. Tokenizer files. Piece model, sentence piece model. Hugging face tokenizer configuration, additional tokenizer settings, special token definitions. Is this what it's talking about? No. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Okay, so let me delete this. And then let me have it run it again, because the problem is that folder was the thing I just cloned, which lives locally here. However, Xcode has no fucking idea that it exists. So let's do that. Based on the project files, I can outline a plan for implementing core. Fuck. No, I need to clone it again. I need to clone it, rerun this to see what it told me. Tree main not found. What the fuck, bro? Come on, dude. Fuck, dude. Man, it's almost 1 in the morning. Alright, let's see. Using T5 text to transfer transformer. Create a new summary model class to handle CoreML models. Initialize sentence piece tokenizer with appropriate vocabulary. Load both encoder. Alright, now also the HF models folder is not in Xcode. I simply cloned this repo here for you so you can take a look at it. If any files are needed to if any files need to be added into Xcode for you to accomplish your task, let me know. Can add them in for you. Here's my proposed plan of attack setup phase. Add core ML models to Xcode project. Add tokenizer configuration files. Create a new Swift package dependency for the tokenizer. Okay, so for the okay, so what is the tokenizer.json file? And do I have to add it into Xcode? This file is pretty large to see, so I'd suggest to see it all in one go. I suggest if see what it says. It's literally okay. Is a Hugging Face tokenizer vocabulary and configuration file that contains the vocabulary mapping tokens to IDs. Okay. Yes, we should add both tokenizer.json. That these files are essential because they define how text should be converted to tokens. Okay, so that's easy. We just add them. So it said actually, I am going to take a quick break and I'll be right back. Alright, man, we back at it like a crack addict. Shit, let's go. Alright, let's see. I think I left off trying to integrate this text summarization model. So let's see. Add the core ML models to the project. That's already done. Take the transcribed text, tokenize using the HF tokenizer. Okay, so I was gonna add those tokenizer files to this and this. Finish. All right, and then So I need the source code for this. Sources, tokenizer, this. Please implement yeah, that should be good. I see we're using sentence piece based tokenizer is perfect for T5 models since I use sentence piece tokenization. Let me create a summarization service that will handle the tokenization and model interaction. I need to understand the encoder decoder model input requirements. Let me check the model files. Perfect. Now I understand the model requirements. Input needs a prefix summarize, max output length 200 tokens minimum, 30, no repeat, n-gram size 3. I don't know what the fuck this means. I've implemented the tokenization and model inference pipeline. Here's what it does. Adds summarize prefix required by T5, normalizes and tokenizes text. Implements greedy decoding, can be improved with beam search. Oh, okay, so they're algorithms. I remember. There was a difference between greedy and beam, and I think beam was not supported or something. Generates, shows, stops on end of sentence token. I'm assuming that's what that means. Progress tracking shows current stage. Tokenizing, encoding, decoding, updates progress percentage. To use this, we need to add the sentence piece model file to the Xcode project, add the core ML models to the project. Okay, that's I can do that. So let me just add these two. You know what? I think I need the whole fucking I think I need the whole repository. Let's just do it the dumb way for now. Let's get this. What is this? Okay. This generation config model.save tensors. Boom, boom. All right, let's just copy all of these here. Okay, I added the necessary files under models under resources/models. Take a look and tell me how we should proceed. Come up. Let me just remove this. I don't need these right now. Come up with plan of attack. See necessary files. Prefer the tokenizer package and initialize models in correct order. Add summarization button. Connect transcription completion. Okay. Okay, the only thing is I don't think it knows how to use... Never mind. I fed it this, so it should know how to use it. What happens if I feed it? Well, no, hold on. Let me see if this builds first before trying to... Okay, let's do number 1 and bug fix until you get a successful build. Yeah. It says file not found. That could be causing the build failure. The model struct seems to be missing the static all. What? I think it's still going to fail. Yeah, it said something about a file not being found. Can you describe to me the errors you see? Sendable, this is happening. Header inclusion. Umbrella header for module does not. What I don't understand is how I added these. Add files to models. No. This shit. But the thing is, I already added here, so why the fuck? Fuck. Was it Summy or where the fuck was it? Users code Summy whisper CPP. Summy. Examples. Whisper Swift. Alright. It might be the same thing it already told me, but we can see. The main error cannot find summary, state, and scope. I see the issue now. The required model files are missing. Wait, what the fuck? No, but the models... No, stop. The files are not missing. They are present. Find them. No shit, bro. Dude, I swear, AI is like great for some things, like for pretty complex tasks, but like, but it's not able to find a fucking file that we've already talked about that I've added. Like, what? That might cause an issue. Yeah, even I noticed that. That's like, okay, I'm not gonna say it was the first time it committed an error, syntax error, but it's been pretty good about not doing syntax errors like that. This is like the first time I've seen it kind of struggle. All right. Oh, uh, let's see what it says now. Man, this thing's taking forever. Okay, I thought it was gonna error out. Let me check the actual error messages. She might be with the path to the ML model. Uh, compile the ML model first. Shit. Okay, so it's not as easy as I thought, where it's just drag and drop and you're done. I guess you actually have to compile.
So here we are.
Remember to subscribe.
Whoa. Let's see. No. Yeah, package, data, this. No, it's right there, bro. Like, what? Okay, now it's just lying to me. Because why is it lying to me? To me. Do you like getting my hopes up? You're right to call me out. Looking at the function results more carefully, I was overly optimistic and made assumptions without properly verifying. Was truncated at. Well, what's. Do the first one, man. No, why? No. Well, let's see what it comes up with. Then it. Oh, okay, it builds it. This thing, I'm too tired to deal with this shit, bro. Let's see. Discard all of those changes. Reject. Okay, so how do we compile the .ml package? Use core ML, compile the models. Or, no, I want to compile these models. Okay. Alright, let's go to app, code, app development, this, examples, whisper, Swift. Okay. Let me copy this directory. Shit. I'm gonna copy this directory. We're gonna make a new alias. And then let's see. Whoops. Damn it. Bro. Alias. Sure. Fuck. I'm so used to Linux shortcuts and commands that whenever I try and do them here, they don't do what I want them to do. Save, reload. Alright, so if I type in this, cool. I think it's resources, models. Alright. Now we run this sheet. Models encoder. Okay, and then we do the same thing but with the decoder. Okay, reject, skip. Okay, I've compiled the models and they are now in the model dot Model C format, right? Models, ML Model C. ML Model C format. Let's remove any code, any code you added to compile these packages, since I've already compiled them myself. And let's get this summarization part of the project working. Let's see what it comes up with. Now let's run. I see the actual error now. It's failing to compile. No, bruh. No, no, no. Reject. Never touch the build.sh file under any circumstances just to get your code to compile and generate. Yeah, that's fine. No shit. The issue might be with the sentence piece package. Let me add it. I don't know if this is an issue. But it's already linked. Let me add it to here. Why not, right? Boom. If not, I can just copy paste that Swift, that package, that GitHub repo. I can just copy that, paste it in here, and then have this AI just create the thing, or create the tokenizer from scratch using all the JSON files, which I think might be a better option than what I'm doing now, because I've always had issues with it if I use Swift packages. Now that's probably because I don't really know how to integrate Swift packages and how to add them properly to my project, right? But I mean, nah. See several potential issues. Sure. Visual Cornell models. Let me check if the models exist. The code is looking for them. I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right. We default the stop agent after 10 tool calls and citizens. Continue. I think that might be a new thing that they added. But whatever, it doesn't impede my progress. Oh, and it just fucking fails. Fuck. Oh man. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with the way I'm importing this Swift package, so I think I might just end up doing what I said earlier and oh shit, what the fuck is it adding? Fuck it. Yeah, I think I might either just copy paste and fucking plagiarize that code that I saw over here just to get this thing to compile, right? This shit. Because he already made the class and it doesn't look like there's any other files in here that are of importance. Yeah. Yeah, and then this thing is fucking stopping. Oh, fuck, man. Alright, well, at least we got some, like, we kind of know kind of what we're doing. I didn't even realize that I had to compile those ML packages, but I guess you do. So we have the packages, we have the models, we have, and we know that we have to tokenize the input, right? So there's that. So the thing that's left is to just, I think we just build our own tokenizer from scratch. And by scratch, I mean, just, you know what? Let me do that right now. Let me see if that fixes the issue. Let me get rid of all of these. Whisper, build rules, build phases. This, package dependencies, this one, remove. Yes, please, get out of here. Skedaddle. Cool. Alright, so let me go back. Okay, I got rid of the package. I got rid of the package. What was it called? Swift sentence piece. It was causing too many issues. However, now we have to tokenize the input. How can we do this? How can we leverage this file to do so? This continue and revert. Let's see what it says. Did it revert? No, they're still compiled. Okay, cool. Since we removed the sentence piece package, looking at the provided tokenizer code, we can create a simplified version that handles the basic tokenization needs for let's talk. See what it says. Simple word-based tokenization. What does the T5 model expect? Help create. We have several key files. A train sentence piece model file that contains better than trying to parse because it's more compact, contains the actual train model parameters. It's what the standard parse file directly. It's binary protobuf. Create a simpler version. Okay, so how do we implement or how do we implement the sentence piece algorithm? Consists of several key components. Basic algorithm. Treat input as sequence of Unicode characters. Okay. Would you like me to parse to extract? Yes. Let's do the first. Let's just do the basic one. I just want to get something working. You see, and then this is the nuance or the things that I'm still pretty green on. I didn't know that this is a file that we can just use as the tokenizer itself. Like, but hey, I guess you live and you learn, and it is what it is. I'm just ready to knock out, to be honest. I just want to get this to a state where like it compiles and is able to, and it just like works, and it just compiles, not works, because to get it to work is gonna be a whole other issue. Let's see. Change the complete, create a new T5 tokenizer class that parses this. Okay, now let's build the project and do not change the @build.sh file. Hold on. Ignore all warnings. Fails, but why? Oh my goodness. This thing is so slow. Okay, well, it's fixing stuff. Wish it told me what it's fixing. Color between static models array and the model.all. Come on. I don't think this is gonna compile, to be honest. That's fine. I'm gonna just call it here. So we still have to get the summary portion to work. I have to do some more research and see what the best way is to summarize the text. Yeah, I might just have to do that. All right, deuces.